Guys, we got a new job available. It's a simple verification job on an island just off the coast. So whoever wants the job gets a nice payday.
I love working for oil companies.
This is your target, Rodrigo Gonzalez. Universal Petroleum want him, dead or alive. So feel free to,
improvise.
Why should today be any different? If you want to play it quiet,
Don't I always?
you could clear out most of his bodyguards with your sniper rifle, or use that turret up the hill. Bring him back alive and they'll pay you more cash.
Easy money.
If you want to play it harder,
See, he's not really my style.
then why not use that helicopter you stole? Or maybe one of their tanks?
Sounds good.
Verify the target and the money's yours. So, what's it going to be?
I'm beginning to like Venezuela.